How's it? It's Nick from HOLTS, and on this week's episode we're still sticking under the hood and we're going to focus on the radiator and the cooling system in particular. What you need to do is, once you've bought a car, it's been standing, and you're looking at maintaining the cooling system, because as we know, an engine rebuild could be expensive if the car's overheated. To start that process off, what you can do is use a HOLTS Radiator Flush. Now what this product does is we put it into the system, and it's going to clean out all the blocked passages and waterways that may have been blocked up from years of standing. The main reason for using a product like this is to avoid any costly expenses on overheating. What you're going to do is you're going to apply this, or put this into the radiator system, and then after 30 or 40 minutes of driving, or 10 minutes on a high idle, you then flush the system out. Please remember, when draining the system, to make sure that you discard the product in a responsible manner and take it to the appropriate place where they can throw away the old substances that come out of the vehicle.
Get it on now.